Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to make a line paper. So the lined paper, how to create on your document in Microsoft Office Word Web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red color subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a line paper on your Microsoft Office Word Web? Just click on the insert option here and click on the table and just insert one into one, and you just need a ruler. So click on the view option, enable the ruler. Now adjust the size of the page margin, so it should be started from a top like this, so you can make the line paper easily. So now you can see I just extended the page up to the mark, and also adjusting the top here. Now minimize the thing, just click here, go to the table layout, and just below, just click on the add below rows like this. Now you can see the table page has been filled. Actually, why it's not filled from up to here, you just need to adjust this. Now you can see we created a lined page on your Microsoft Office Word Web. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more content about Microsoft Office Word Web, you just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.